Hello students, welcome to this in video. परम गुरु पाठशाला English Medium School, Sarsa. My name is Urvashi Makwan. Today I am going to teach in Math subject, Standard 2nd, Unit 1. Unit name is Numbers up to 1000. Topics are Concept of hundreds. Second topic, Numbers from 101 to 200. So let's get started. Numbers from 101 to 200. Dear students, in this topic we will learn about numbers from 101 to 200. So, one by one we will speak these numbers. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150, 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160, 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, 170, 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, 180, 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, 188, 189, 190, 191, 192, 193, 194, 195, 196, 197, 198, 199, 200, 200. So, dear students, how to read 3-digit numbers when given 3-digit numbers? Firstly, you have to speak first number and then speak 100 and then after speak 2-digit number. Read this number and write their number name. Dear students, here given number is 3-digit. So, how to read this number? So, let's divide this number in places. So 5 is in ones, 0 is in tens, and first number 1 is in hundred. Last number 5 is in ones, 0 is in tens, and 1 is in hundred. So how to speak this number? 105. In tens, 0 given, so 100 after speak directly 5 number. So 105. How to write in spelling? 105. O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, F-I-V-E 5. 105. Dear students, next number also 3 digit. 1, 2, 9. 3 digit number. So let's divide in places. 9 is in, last number is in ones, ones after place tens, and tens before 100 place. How to read this number? When you read the number, start from first number. Start from 100 place. 129. First number after speak 100, and then after speak 2 digit number, that is 29. 129. How to write in spelling? 129. O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, T-W-E-N-T-Y 20, N-I-N-E 9. 129. Next number 157, 3 digit number. Now how to read this number? 7 is in last number ones, 5 is in tens, and 1 is in hundred. How to speak this number? Start from first number. 157. 157. How to write in spelling? O-N-E 1, H-U-N-D-R-E-D 100, F-I-F-T-Y 50, S-E-V-E-N 7. 157. Next number is 3 digit number given. 182. So how to read this number? Last number 2. 2 is in ones place. 8 is in tens place. And 1 is in hundred place. When given 3 digit number, last number is in ones, middle number is in tens, and first number is in hundred place. H that means 100, T that means tens, and O that means ones. Now, how to read this number? Start from first number. 100. First number given 1. So speak 1. Then after speak 100. 182. Not speak 82. 8 is in tens. So speak 80. 182. One's number as it is speak. Like 2, so speak 2 only. 182. How to write in spelling? ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, EIGHTY 80, TWO 2, 182. Next number is 3-digit number given 112. Now how to read this number? 3-digit number. So first number is in 100, then tens, and last number ones. 2 is in 100, 1 is in tens, and first one is in 100 place. Now how to read this number? First number 1, and 1 after speak 100. 112. 2-digit number speak together. 112. Now how to write in spelling? 112. ONE 1, HUNDRED 100, TWELVE 12. 112. Write the numbers shown on each abacus. Dear students, here given abacus. See this abacus and write the numbers from this abacus. Count the beads in given places. So in 100 place 1 beads given. So in 100 place write 1. Then after T, that means tens place. In tens place given 2 beads. So write 2 number in tens place. Last ones. O that means ones place. In ones place given 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. So write 3 number in ones place. So 3 is in ones, 2 is in tens, and 1 is in 100. How to read this number? 123. 1 is in 100 place, so 1 after speak 100. 123. See this next abacus. Here given also 100, tens, and ones place. That means 3-digit number comes. So in 100 place given only 1 beads. So in 100 place write 1. Now tens place. In tens place given 0. So write in tens place 0. And last, ones place. In ones place given 2 bits. So write 2 number. Now how to read this number? 102. In tens place given 0 bits. So write 0. So 100 after speak directly ones number. So ones number is 2. So 102. Homework. Write the numbers from 101 to 200. Thank you watching for this video.